Remember back in the day when a trip to the doctor's office meant sitting around for ages, undergoing a bunch of tests and hoping for the best? It's like using an outdated roadmap compared to relying on a cutting-edge GPS navigation system. You might think, there's got to be more to healthcare, right? Well, get ready, because the future's arrived.
Can't wait.
Powered by the magic of artificial intelligence. And get this, AI-driven healthcare is on fire, growing at a crazy 41% annually. But wait, there's more. AI algorithms are zipping through diagnosis quicker and more accurately. Predictive analytics are painting a picture of our health futures, and treatment plans tailored exactly to us are becoming the new normal. Yes, you heard that right. It's a technological revolution that's rewriting the rules of healthcare. So why don't we delve deeper? Game-changing diagnostics. Remember when medical diagnosis used to be a bit like navigating a maze blindfolded? Yeah, those were the days when early disease detection felt like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Hold on to your stethoscopes, because AI is about to flip the script in the medical world. We're talking about catching diseases in their tracks, way before they can mess things up. Ever heard of IBM Watson for oncology? This AI whiz dives into tons of medical info, patient records, and whatnot to give tailor-made treatment suggestions for cancer patients. Imagine this, a complex cancer case where time's ticking. AI crunches the data, spots a treatment that could be a game changer. The doctor jumps in, and the patient's got a shot at beating the odds. Now, think back to those blurry x-rays. With AI on the scene, that's history. Medical imaging stepping up its game big time. Doctors can zoom in on the tiniest issues, no Sherlock magnifying glass needed. But wait, there's more. AI is the secret weapon you never knew you needed in the world of diagnostics. It's not just about clearer images, it's about saving lives. Imagine someone with a lingering cough. Regular tests might not shout danger, but AI digs deep into their story, habits, and symptoms. It spots hints of a sneaky condition in its early stages. Before we move on, let's hear your thoughts. What's your take on AI-powered diagnostics? Are you excited about the precision it brings, or do you have some reservations? And guess what? Our journey into the medical AI realm is far from over.
Really? Really?
In our next stop, we're delving into the realm of surgical precision. So stay tuned, because the future of medicine is looking sharper than ever. Cutting-edge surgery. Let's rewind the clock a bit and take a glimpse into the past of surgical procedures. It was a time when surgeons navigated through the intricacies of the human body armed with their skills and a sprinkle of luck. But in this era of rapid technological evolution, we've witnessed a true transformation. Introducing robotic surgery. Gone are the days of extensive incisions and prolonged recovery periods. But let's talk about the game changer in town, robotic surgery. Imagine this, surgeons teaming up with robots like Mazer X. It's like a duo where the surgeon's skills mix with the robot's precision. Say goodbye to big incisions and long recovery times. Now, surgeries are all about pinpoint accuracy and faster healing. These robotic arms move like maestros, choreographing intricate surgeries with grace. They're not just assistants, they're partners that take surgery to a whole new level. And before the surgery even starts, there's virtual surgical planning. Think of it as a roadmap created by AI. It predicts hurdles and paves the way for smoother procedures, acting like a GPS for surgeons in uncharted territories. But here's the twist, as AI steps up, are we stepping back from our own skills? It's like relying on autopilot so much that we forget how to fly. With AI and human teamwork shaping the future of surgery, finding the balance between technology and expertise is key. We're in the age of AI-augmented surgery, where human skills still call the shots, but with an amazing AI backup. As we step away from the surgical theater for a moment, rest assured, we're diving headfirst into the captivating realm of advancements in neurology. But for now, let's keep the excitement alive. Hit that subscribe button, and together, we'll journey through the breathtaking landscape of medical innovation. Leveling up in neurology. Before we go all techie, let's rewind a bit. Not too long ago, diagnosing neurological disorders was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube in the dark. It was a puzzle that often left doctors scratching their heads and patients struggling without answers. But hey, here's where AI swoops in with its innovation cape. AI is not stopping at diagnosis. It's also shaking hands with neurological treatments. Think neural interfaces. They're like rewiring circuits, tech style. We're chatting about gadgets plugging into your brain, reading signals, and helping you get back lost functions. It's like magic, but with a splash of code. Picture having a robot buddy for neurosurgeons. Say hello to the NeuroMate robotic system. This genius can join surgeons in tricky procedures, making their moves super precise. Here's the real kicker. ROSA, Robotic Surgical Assistant. It helped a Parkinson's patient by planting brain electrodes just right, giving them better motor control and a way better life. So it's like surgeons have an extra set of hands, with AI as their guide. AI is giving people their lives back, and that's no small feat. Speaking of impact, that's what we're all about. Our mission is for you to discover the intersection of technology, style, and celebrity. We celebrate the devices that make a statement in your life and the pop culture world. With every episode, embark on a journey of elegance, innovation, and the sheer beauty of gadgets that resonate with both lifestyle and luxury. So if you're as excited as we are about AI and its role in neurological disorders, hit that like button and show us some love. And hey, before you start thinking we're done here, hold on to your hats. Our next stop is all about fighting pandemics with data. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So stay glued, stay curious, and stay tuned for the next big tech adventure. Fighting pandemics with data. Recollect the times when detecting disease outbreaks felt like searching for a needle in a haystack. Yeah, we've been there. Back in the day, identifying and responding to potential health crises used to be like trying to find a single star in a sky full of twinkles. Not the most efficient, right?
Yes.
And that's where our tech superhero, AI, swoops in to save the day. All right, folks, here's the deal. AI's got some serious skills in disease prediction. Now let's talk about how AI teams up with scientists in the vaccine quest. These science whizzes used to have a tough time finding the right vaccine. It was like hunting for your keys in the dark. But now, AI's like their personal flashlight. And remember that heart-pounding moment when COVID-19 threw the world for a loop? AI jumped into action, sifting through data and pointing out the virus before we even knew its name. With AI's help, scientists raced to map the virus's genetic makeup. But let's dial it down to real-life pandemic heroics. 1. Blue Dot. This AI-powered superhero spotted the early signs of the COVID-19 outbreak even before the big shots at the World Health Organization did. It combed through news, flight data, and more, giving health folks a heads up about the virus' potential spread. 2. Folding at home, this superhero project gets a bunch of computers together to tackle a big problem, figuring out how proteins fold. It's essential for understanding diseases like COVID-19 and designing treatments. 3. Tommy the Robot. Imagine a robot named Tommy helping out doctors in Italy during the pandemic. Tommy carried out tasks to keep doctors safe, like delivering medical supplies and minimizing contact. Think of it as a high-tech assistant, making sure heroes on the front lines are taken care of. 4. COVID. Imagine AI trained to detect COVID-19 from cough sounds. That's what COVID does. It's like sci-fi, but in real life. This helps with remote screening and keeping an ear out for potential cases. But here's the twist. Amid all the AI hype, let's not forget the importance of human expertise. AI is a tool, a fantastic one at that, but it's our brilliant minds that guide it. In the rush to embrace AI, we must also nurture and value human insight, because it's the fusion of AI's lightning-fast analysis and human ingenuity that truly ignites progress. And that's a wrap, folks. We've journeyed through the realm of AI-generated voice magic, and boy, was it a wild ride. Can you believe how our voices can transform into anything from celebs to characters? Mind-blowing stuff, right? We've covered the nitty-gritty from gaming to content creation. But hey, don't hit that pause button just yet. There's more to come. Stay tuned for our next video on the incredible ways AI is saving lives. Yep, you heard it right. Catch you in the next one.